It's Street Talk with Loretta Rose. Thanks for joining us. On today's show, we're talking about a community event that you are invited to. It is free. It is the Power of Common Unity Tour. Stick around, my special guest will share with you all about it. It's Street Talk with Loretta Rose. You're watching here on Beam TV. Street Talk with Loretta Rose, and thanks for joining us. On today's show, we're sharing with you a community event that you have an opportunity to be a part of. My special guest will share with you what to expect, and we're going to start off with the visionary of this wonderful event, the Power of Common Unity Tour. I love the sound of tour.
Yes.
All right, we'll start with you, visionary.
Well, thank you so much, Loretta. It's definitely a pleasure to be back on your show again.
Oh.
You know, we've got a little bit of history.
Yes,
and we've
ma'am.
spent lots of time on the air sharing things with our community about things that can really empower them to be the best version of themselves. And so today we're talking about the Power of Common Unity Tour because there is a challenge that's happening in our society and in our communities here in the Chattahoochee Valley. People are experiencing loneliness because it is an epidemic proportion right now, and it has been for some time. But what we have determined is that there are some ways that people can embrace the connection and reconnect with not only individuals in your household, because people are lonely even in their own homes. But you need to know that there are ways you can connect and reconnect at home, in the community, with various organizations, and you can be empowered through that because everybody wins when we come together.
I love that.
And so that is really what this event is about, and I am about embodying that by connecting with individuals like we have here today so that we can demonstrate that.
Wow.
You know, you don't want to just talk about it, you want to be about it.
I love it. Vassandra Kennebrew, what an amazing vision. And I love the fact that you're unifying the community.
Yes.
So we're going to talk with some of your community partners that will be a part of this great community event. Share with us your first and last name and your community involvements.
Yes, so I'm Kai, also known as Becoming. I bring a sense of embodiment. Like you said, we don't just talk about it, we be about it. And the be about it part is the breathing into your own heart, the feeling into your own senses, and it's the genuine connection that is in this present moment.
Oh, wow.
And so when we come into common unity, where does that start? It starts with your ability to listen, to breathe, and to feel into your own body.
Oh, wow.
So that is what I am excited to
Oh,
share.
wow. Oh, wow. You're making me want to. I love it. I love it. Okay. Be in the moment is what I'm hearing and feeling.
Absolutely.
I love that. All right. We're going to toss it to Miss Danita Gibson Lord. She's no stranger to the community as well. Share with us you all's community involvement with this project.
Well, my name is Danita Gibson Lord, and I'm the proud CEO of Girls Inc. of Columbus and Phoenix Russell, where we've been in the community almost 75 years with a presence right here in Phoenix City and 2 locations in Columbus, Georgia. And I'm excited about us participating because we want to give our girls holistic experiences where they can truly be themselves, they can grow, they can stretch. And so we're all about inspiring them to be strong, smart, and bold, and for them to be self-aware. And so social and emotional wellness is something that we really harp on at Girls Inc. so they can be in tune with themselves and be their very best self. So we're excited that we'll have a chance to be a part of Common Unity, and that we've got some of our babies, our community daughters, who will actually be serving as hosts for that event.
That's nice. And if you don't mind, share with us more about your Phoenix City presence with Girls Inc.
Well, thank you for that, because oftentimes people hear Girls Inc. of Columbus, but we're Girls Inc. of Columbus and Phoenix Russell. And for almost 2 years now, in partnership with the Phoenix City Housing Authority, we have a location right here in Phoenix City. So when I get to see Mayor Eddie Lowe, positively Phoenix City Mayor, I let him know that we positively have a location right here in Phoenix City, and it's right there in the Chuck Roberts Center.
Yeah.
And we're excited
Right
that we're
there.
there, and we're looking to expand and have an even greater presence in the other housing complexes and even in Phoenix City schools. So watch out, because we're coming.
I love it. Great work you're doing, Danita. Wow. So, for Sandra, tell us what we can expect when we come to this event that is going to take place Saturday, August 29th.
Absolutely. Now we're in the auditorium of the main library in Columbus, Georgia. So it's a big space, but what we're wanting to do is connect people with other individuals in the room. And we do that through some interactive experiences. There's going to be some storytelling. We're going to do our signature community pop-up exercise, and people will get a question that's kind of posed to them, and then you can look around the room and see how many other individuals in the room have the same or similar experience. And once you realize you're not alone,
Amen.
and that you're not dealing with things by yourself, then all of a sudden you can connect with other people who may not look like you, but we all have similar experiences. And I just have to say, because when you say, what are some of the problems that people are facing, sometimes you don't think about what you're dealing with by looking at the news every day. Sometimes you look at the crime, you look at the economic issues, you look at some of the issues politically, and they can wear you down and make you feel like, oh my God, the world's going to hell in a handbasket. But when you get out of your individual space of isolation and you look at how are other people dealing with these same type of issues, and then you realize I'm not alone. They're doing this through service in their community. They're volunteering, helping out over at Girls Inc. They're engaging in yoga and tantra and meditation. There's so many things we can do
Absolutely.
to come back together and come back within our own selves, like Kai is stating. That is just so very important.
Wow. Well, let me ask, is Columbus the first stop?
No, we started off in Peachtree City at a Toastmasters conference. Then we went to my hometown, Detroit, Michigan. Then we came back here to Columbus. And then next we're going to Atlanta, Georgia. And then to Birmingham, Alabama. And I am hoping someone that is viewing here today will decide, hey, we want you to bring this tour to our area. And we're open to that as well.
Wow. So, why the Chattahoochee Valley area?
Well, this is where I live. I've
Okay.
been here for the last 6 years. I, started off bringing my dad back here to his hometown.
Okay.
And so it's like, okay, he made his transition. And then I knew that the next stop for me was to go to Africa. I'm going to West Africa serving in the Peace Corps.
Oh, wow.
And this is a labor of love. The mission is all about world peace and friendship.
Okay.
But I've got a little gap here. I'm like, between now and February when I depart, I wanted to do something where I'm planted right now that will bring people
Amen.
together and help them to really see that this issue that we're facing is big. We don't want to minimize it, because a lot of people are experiencing depression, isolation, anxiety. There's a lot of things that are showing up as a result, but there are also solutions. So that was my goal, is to bring that here to the Chattahoochee Valley.
Wow. So we want to paint the picture for the community of what to expect when they come. So when they come, because this event is going to be about an hour,
Yes.
and it's going to be at the library in
Yes.
Phoenix, in Columbus,
In
off
Columbus.
Macon Road.
Yes.
So they're going to get spoken word
Yes.
by Kai. So
Yes.
help paint the picture of what people are going to see and expect when they come in?
Yes, we have an amazing MC as well.
Okay.
And Amanda is just so awesome. We work together on various projects as well, but she's a relationship doula, if you will. She calls herself the separation doula. And a lot of people know her online because she talks about different ways to spot the red flags in relationships and that type of thing. So she's our MC, and she'll have some great things she'll be sharing throughout the program. But after Kai comes and does her thing, and I don't know exactly what it's going to look like, I trust her.
Yeah, I'd love to speak a little bit about it.
Yes.
So, you're going to leave feeling seen. You're going to leave feeling heard.
Wow.
And you're going to leave with a stronger sense of love in your body. Not just for yourself, but
Yeah.
for your neighbor and for the opportunities that are here in the community and even further out that we have the ability to connect with, the resources.
Wow.
Yeah, I
Look
know
forward
that
to that.
you're going to
Yeah.
do it
So-
because you have every single time, and the audience definitely responds to whatever it is that you present. And that's why I definitely wanted to work with you again.
Very heartfelt. That's
Wow.
It's important that you feel it, that you embody it, or else I didn't do what I didn't give you the medicine that that I'm here to provide.
So that is why it's called the Power of Common Unity Tour, an hour of power.
Yes.
You're going to be empowered at this event. So help us to understand what Girls Inc. is bringing to the event. Your girls.
Well, first and foremost, our babies are coming. Our community daughters will be there. They'll be present. And so they're always looking for ways that they can learn. Because we're at Girls Inc., we're all about the whole child. So we want them to succeed academically. We want them to be as healthy as possible. But we're all about the emotional self-awareness, all those things. So we're focused on the whole child experience. And we have the opportunity to partner with amazing women like this one here. And I'm looking forward to also seeing more what you have to offer, Kai. But it gives them an opportunity to be exposed, because oftentimes our babies are not exposed. Exposure and awareness is everything. And so
That's good,
I'm
Denise.
excited that you have invited us, and
Oh, wow.
hope this to be the first of many things that we'll do together.
Wow.
And that you can actually come on site at one of our locations and perhaps even expand
Awareness.
the common unity and our power even further.
I love it. I love it. I love it. This is great. So help the community to know how we can get involved, how they can be present
Yes.
at this great event.
Yes. Well, the first thing you can do is go to Eventbrite. If you're not familiar with it, it is Eventbrite. So if you haven't been there, it's spelt a little bit different. But when you go to Eventbrite, you can just plug in Power of Common Unity, and then you'll find all of the details of the event. You'll be able to see some video from a past event, so that'll give you some insight as well. And then if you're on any of the social channels, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you'll find more information there about it as well. It is free of charge. However, we want you to register because it's important for us to know how many people to expect so we can best serve you. That helps us when we have some numbers, and we want to stay connected with you even beyond the event, because I have this wonderful relationship wellness community on the school platform, and I'm really guiding people there so that they can learn more in their own time. You can just spend time clicking on one of the courses that's available, because this is an ongoing thing. We're not trying to give you a 1 hour and say, okay, now you go out there and just do it. We want to give you something for after the event is over, because as we strengthen ourselves, we can have better relationships with ourselves, our family, our community, and that is so very important. That's where the impact and the power comes from, is you going out there and re-engaging, reconnecting, and just sharing, becoming unified.
I love it. I love it. I'm all for it. Unifying the community and being one voice. I love it. This is going to take place Saturday, August 29th. That is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss it. It is free. So family
Yes,
invited.
Family invited. We're
Young
even hoping
adults,
some of the
students,
families
students.
of the girls and Girls Inc. will
Yes,
be showing up in support
yes.
of them and the event. But we just really want this to be fun for the entire community.
Awesome.
Intergenerational.
Awesome. Well, we want to thank you, ladies, for what you're doing. Danita, thank you for the Girls Inc. I
you.
see them out there in the community. Thank you for your labor of love.
Thank you.
You're not just teaching them, you're walking with them through this. So we appreciate you. Kai, thank you for bringing awareness. And you are native of Phoenix City. Okay, graduated from Russell County High School. Shout out to you. Thank you so much. We're so proud of you. And for Sandra, thank you so much for your labor of love. Thank you for sharing this. I love your heart. You like unity, you like loving on people. So thank you for providing a space
Amen.
to provide that.
Yes.
So give us that contact information again where we can get tickets and where to go register.
Yes, you can go to Power of Common Unity Columbus.eventbrite.com. That's the direct link on Eventbrite. And I would really like our viewers to also connect with my website, VersandraKinnebrew.com. Then you can learn about the books that I've written, the programs that I provide and have been doing for so long. Maybe you can even follow me on this journey to Senegal, West
Oh, wow.
Africa,
Oh, wow.
because it's going to be something very different for me,
Wow.
working in maternal health
Oh, wow.
with babies and their moms
Yes.
and helping them with healthy lifestyles and healthy practices. I want you guys to come on the journey with me and see what's going on outside of the United States of America on a mission of peace and friendship.
Oh, wow. Well, definitely want to follow you, and we appreciate you and your love. Well, thank you so much for joining us on today's show. Be a part of the Power of Common Unity tour that's taking place in our Tri-City community in Columbus, August 29th on a Saturday, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. You've been watching Street Talk with Loretta Rose right here on Beam TV. Thanks for watching.
They're killing one another in the streets, and your world is going to hell in a handbasket. Economy is spiraling out of control. The rich are getting richer, and the poor are getting poorer. Nobody can God has forsaken. I might as well end it all. The politicians are corrupt from Chicago to LA. If I die, no one would know the difference.
Let there be light.